What's up, everybody? It's me, Sergio, with Mobility Direct, here to do a torture test on the Jazzy 27X by Pride Mobility. Now, this is not going to be an in-depth review video. We have one. If you want to check out the in-depth review, stay tuned to the very end. We'll put it as the next video. I do have a spec sheet here. I'm going to tell you a few things about it. It weighs 27.5 pounds without the battery, has a 275-pound weight capacity, a top speed of 3.7 miles per hour. And what's unique about it is it folds with an X-frame design, making it extremely easy to put in the trunk of a car. In most vehicles, it's going to fit no problem. The entire thing folds up into a really compact shape, and it is TSA-friendly, meaning you can take it on an airplane, cruise line friendly, an excellent power wheelchair for traveling made of carbon fiber. Now, I've had a lot of time to play with this thing, and I've got to say I'm pretty impressed with its performance. It has a 3-inch ground clearance, nice tires that perform well on grass, mulch, different terrain types, and we're going to show you all that today. If you want to learn more about this product, there's a few different ways to do it. You can go to our YouTube channel, check out all of our videos. We have comparison videos, deep dive review videos, and we also have a printed catalog. So if you want to get a printed catalog, it's free. Just go to our website, mobilitydirect.com. Click on the green button at the top of every page that says free catalog. Fill out the simple short form, put your address, your name. You'll get one in the mail within 1 to 2 weeks tops. You could also call the number below, speak with our non-commissioned sales team, ask them any questions you have, give them your address, and they'll process that catalog request for you by phone. Now, keep in mind, folks, that somewhere towards the end of this video, I'm going to put a hidden message on the screen. The first 50 people to spot it are going to get access to an exclusive discount code that'll save you big on your next purchase at mobilitydirect.com. Also, towards the end of the video, I'm going to show you an industry trade secret about this chair that no other dealer is talking about, and you're not going to want to miss it, so stay tuned to the very end. All right, so we're going to go ahead and turn this thing on. It's a very simple joystick controller, not much to it, and go for a ride on some terrain. All right, so for this torture test, we're basically just going to go on flat, hard pavement, right? No, wrong. Obviously, I'm kidding. The purpose is to really challenge this thing to see what it could take. Don't try this at home. This is us just abusing it for educational purposes. Most of the time, chairs like this do not perform well when going over really rough terrain. For example, like this manhole that's completely uneven. Look at the way it just did that. That is pretty impressive. I honestly thought it was going to stall out for sure. But the fact that it has a 3-inch ground clearance and a powerful motor is allowing this thing to just power through and make it over that pothole, that manhole. Pretty impressive. So for this next test, we're going to do the soft grass challenge. And most power wheelchairs that have small motors that are foldable like this one don't make it. This grass is super soft, and it's just plowing right through it. Even at a dead standstill, I could take off. I am super impressed with the power that this motor is putting out and how well it's just performing on super soft, tall grass. Now here, I'm gonna try and do a U-turn. Normally this is when they start to fail. It's spinning out a little bit, a little action, putting my caboose and moving it forward, got it out of there. Guys, I'm telling you right now, I test all sorts of power wheelchairs all the time. This is a powerful power chair considering its weight capacity of 275 pounds and the weight being 27.5 pounds. You're not going to find an option out there that's made by a reputable manufacturer like Pride Mobility. They include an industry-leading warranty for the parts and an in-home service plan for 1 year for free. You don't have to go anywhere. If there's a warranty defect issue, technician comes to your home. You even have the option to extend that in-home service plan up to 3 years. Simply put, guys, Pride Mobility is the #1 brand out there if you want something that's built with quality and that's going to give you peace of mind knowing that your product's going to work well for many, many years to come. They keep making newer and better models, and this is the latest model, the Jazzy 27X. Let's go ahead and do another test. All right, guys, so for this segment, what we're going to do is a simple test which a lot of people ask about, and that is, will it go into a garage with a small little curb, which is about, I'd say, 1 inch, maybe 1.5 inches on average. So here's that little lip. I'm going to go up the curb and see if these caster wheels, which seem a little bit softer than the average really hard caster wheels, which don't perform well typically. Let's see if it can make it up. I am going to get a little bit of speed and lean forward just to be safe. I'm not going to go full speed. Oh, nice. All right, guys, so for this segment, we're gonna go on mulch, go on grass, and I'm even gonna try and run over a hose that we left there intentionally just to see how it handles various terrains. I'm actually really impressed with the performance of this chair on really soft grass that literally was just laid down. Typically, you don't get this kind of a performance on a lightweight travel folding power wheelchair that only weighs 27 pounds. That's impressive, guys. All right, for this next clip, one of our coworkers, John, took the 27X on some really loose gravel, and unfortunately it did stall out. The wheels started spinning. I think it's because the rear wheels are pretty thin. He also took it up a hill that's made out of grass, and the same thing happened. The wheels started spinning out at the highest point. So the chair is not perfect. It does have some imperfections, and I think the rear wheels being thin prevents it from doing well in certain scenarios. All right, guys, now I want to do something that most dealers do not tell you about when making reviews for this product, okay? And that is how to load it into a car efficiently so that you don't have to deadlift 27.5 pounds. Because let's be honest, for some people, 27.5 pounds is still a lot of weight, regardless of this being one of the lightest options on the market today. So I'm going to show you a little tip. We're going to go ahead and fold it. I'm going to take the cushion out first. Going to flip up the foot plates, get them out of the way, and then just grab by the handles here. Let me show you. There's little handles here. Folds really easily. Super, super neat. Now here's what we're going to do. We're going to get it close and show you. This vehicle has got a really high ground clearance. So if you have a vehicle that's not so high up, it's going to be a lot easier. But this should allow me to demonstrate what I mean. I'm not going to have to deadlift anything because I'm going to put the front two tires right in there and then use leverage to roll it in. How easy is that? Use that as a tip if you have a manual folding wheelchair or the Jazzy 27X. It's going to save your back. All right, folks, so for this next section, we're going to go ahead and ride on some Pavers just to see how it feels. This model doesn't have suspension, but that's not a big deal. Let me go ahead and open up this gate. The fact that it's just like stopping and going on this soft grass alone is very impressive. So the ride quality is not bad. It doesn't have suspension again, but the tires are kind of like softer rubber, not really solid hard casters. So it does actually feel very smooth, and the seat is just super comfortable. Now there is another model known as the Jazzy Ultralight, which is going to be slightly stronger, bigger, and have suspension if you want to consider that. We do have a full in-depth review video for that one as well. They're made by Pride Mobility, all the Jazzys, so you're going to get that quality warranty support, in-home service plan, and just overall quality craftsmanship. Now there is a little set of Pavers here, which we're going to go on and kind of feel the imperfections in the Pavers. It's very uneven to see how it performs. Now, I want to also take the time to tell you about our giveaway. Did you know that part of every sale here at Mobility Direct goes towards funding our mission to give back? That's right, folks. We give away mobility products to people in need all the time. Veterans, people who are homeless, or people just struggling to get around on a manual chair, a walker, a set of crutches. They can't afford a mobility scooter or power chair. We show up a lot of the times with the cameras rolling, and we give them one for free. If you want to join that mission, be a part of that cause, consider shopping at Mobility Direct or just telling someone you know about Mobility Direct. Share this video on your Facebook page. Get the word out there. Together we can make a difference. One mobility device at a time. Let's go ahead and get started. All right, so we are on some Pavers and there's a hose here. I'm not going to move it. Why? This is a torture test. And this is a very lightweight, travel-friendly power wheelchair that's not supposed to be able to do stuff like this. Guys, this might just be the best folding power wheelchair that I've ever torture tested. Considering its weight, the small motors, the small tires, the limited ground clearance, this is awesome. I mean, if you weigh less than 275 pounds and you want something that's versatile, rugged, that's going to handle different terrain types and still be as lightweight as possible, there's nothing else like it. This is the Jazzy 27X. Super impressed with this product. Let us know what you think, guys. If you own this, I want to hear from you. Leave a comment below. Tell us what you like, what you don't like. Our audience members, our viewers would love to hear your feedback, what you think about it if you're an owner of the Jazzy 27X. It's going to allow them to make better decisions when shopping for a power wheelchair like this one. Keep in mind, folks, our next video is gonna teach you a lot more about this product, and we have comparison product videos that compare all different folding power wheelchairs in its class against each other. So check them out and make sure you subscribe. It's the best way to show support to help us grow the channel. We appreciate your viewership more than words can describe. So until next time, everybody, have a great day.